Good morning. We're at Casualty Power Sports. My name is Brian Wagoner. Phone number is 505-716-3681. We're going to discuss the Assault Industries axles. They're made out of a different material compared to stock. They're stronger, they're heavier, and they have really good reviews, and we highly recommend them. A couple reasons you're going to want to run them is maybe you put different cams, maybe put a turbo kit, maybe you're running 35-inch tires. When you're doing these things, especially in the rocks and the sands, you are putting more strain on them, requiring more torque. So it's a nice upgrade from the stock axle to the Assault Industries axle because you're getting maybe a little bit better than stock, or you're getting back up to the stock parameter based on the torque and the horsepower that you're adding to the vehicle.